I know you and Gemma have been helping Juice. I need to know how that happened.
What girl told you that?
She said Gemma was helping him because she didn't want anyone else to get hurt. But why would Juice go to my mom in the first place?
Not sure how that all came together. Soon they crossed paths somewhere. You know, by a weed shop or something.
That doesn't make sense. You were with my mom the night Tara got murdered. What was going on with her?
She was upset. She knew you were going to get picked up by the sheriffs.
Did she call you after she saw the Chinese?
Yeah. After we found out what happened, she was wrecked. We both were. But she didn't tell me what she saw. Only the club was privy to that. What are you digging at, son?
I need a face-to-face with Juice. Can you call Jerry, set that up?
You're kidding me, right? I mean, we know what you're doing with Juice. Using him to get close to Lynn.
This isn't about Lynn. It's about Tara.
Why should I help you, son? You guys have done nothing but lie to me. The guy Juice and your mother ID'd, he wasn't even in the state.
What are you talking about?
Chris Dunn. Jerry found out he was in a Vegas drunk tank the night Tara was murdered.
I need you to get me in a room with Juice. Tell the DA it will get them the intel they need on Tara's murder. You can pull the video, watch the whole thing. Wayne, do you want the truth or not?
All right. I'll call Jerry. See if she can hook it up. Well, you burn me on this, Jackson, and there's no more loyalty. For your club and for your family. Understand?
Understood.
Same place helping you with? It goes down after breakfast. Yeah, okay.
Sounds good. Your dad would be happy. Still need some tweaks, but it's getting there. Looks very regal in the club colors. Yeah. How's my mom getting? Oh, pretty slow. Probably just before lunch. We want to hear soon? No, thank you. Hey. What's going on, boss? Need you guys to visit our white friends. Have Otis reach out to Tully. I'm sitting down with Juice. I need the cameras off in the room.
Well, after all this shit with Lynn was saying,
It's about something else.
what?
I'll fill you in when I know more.
Yeah.
Nah, what's going on? No.
Where's Daddy?
He's working.
Is Daddy okay?
Yeah. Are you okay? That was a lot for you to take in last night. About me. You okay with all that?
Hell, he got you doing his dirty work, huh? Figured you just leave it for his new Nazi pals.
Doesn't have to be dirty. I just need some answers.
Yeah. That's why I'm chained to a pipe in a goddamn boiler room. What the hell is that for?
Who sold out Sam Crow? Gave up the location of the guns.
Of course. They sent the rat to flush out the rat.
Who was it?
But those guns were ours.
Was it a member? Jerry White?
What happens once I tell you?
I sent that to the club and they handled the traitor.
Me?
Nothing happens. As long as you tell me who it was, you don't give up the MC to make a deal.
It was Charlie Borowski. He came to us, said he knew who took the guns and where they were. Prick held out for a shitload of cash. The cops, biggest criminals of all.
Yeah. I'm a rat. What makes you think I wouldn't be a liar, too?